Hello again, Fierce Loves! Welcome in Sorika! Mabuhay! And you are back with Fierce Eye. But hopefully this is a quick video because I just wanted to show you the close-ups of the items that I have shared to you on my live video earlier today, wherein I shared to you my Pandora after Christmas sale haul. And that's everything that you see in here. So if you wanted to see how I wear them, how I try-ons and stuff like that, and all the stories behind it, might as well go ahead and watch my live video if you haven't seen it yet. But if you did, then that's probably the reason why you're here, because you want to see close-ups. So this is the receipt of my Pandora orders from the Pandora eStore. But yeah, let's go ahead and share to you the items that I have in here. So limited edition, Moment Silver, which one was that? In 17? Yeah, perhaps that's talking about this one. And that's the Firework Bangle. Yes, so pretty up close. That, and then the Moments double leather bracelet is over here. Disney Ariel's signature collar, that will be the Murano over here. Disney Ariel's dress, that will be this one over there. Bright heart necklace choker is this one. And golden tan leather choker and feather is this. So now I'm going to show you the close-ups. Alright, so yes. Perhaps I should grab it in the order that I showed you on my live video. So the first one that I shared, I asked you to choose which box, and yeah, it was this one who won. So this is what I wanted to share to you, the close-ups of this bracelet, because you see the Pandora logo in here. It's surrounding this round part over here, and then if we remove this from the loop, well, I didn't really loop it. I just did a short like that. So at the back, it says S925ALE, like so. And yeah, this is the loop wherein you can insert this part and just like, it seems like you're hooking it like so. And then it's secured. But how you put a charm on it is something very similar to the sliding bracelets. So if you see this part, there's this notch, and then see there's a slight slit over there, over here, and then you just have to push that down and then twist this a little bit, and then it should be out. And there, like so. And you will notice that also on this part, it has there's a hallmark, S925ALE. And then you can insert a charm there. For example, we're gonna put Ariel's dress in here, but no need to screw it on, just put it like so, because that is not really like a screw-on thingy, no. And it looks like that. It's a double loop, and then you can put this back the same manner. You have to push this like so. Oopsie. I think it's better if you do it this way. And then twist, and then should be right back on. And then the double letter bracelet, you just have to hook this like so, and there you go. So, and that's how you open it and secure it and stuff like that. So the next one is this, and it's the golden tan leather choker and feather pendant. So it's a very nice, it's 38 centimeters, but it's easily adjustable by just adjusting this knob right here. So you can just pull it, and then it becomes longer, or of course pull it back, and then you can easily adjust it using this one. So for now, I'm just gonna leave it like so. And yeah, this is the feather pendant that I wasn't able to share to you close-ups on the live video, and it's very nice. It's a very good price for a sale since it's the necklace or this choker is already very much affordable, plus this one, and then you can move this around, of course. If you wanted to put it on a bracelet, you can even put it here. So yeah, love it, love it, love it. Let me see the hallmark for this. It's inside. Yeah, that's inside. Okay, so it's on a lobster clasp, like so. And then this part has tiny hearts. Look, oh, that's so, so, so cute. Tiny hearts in there. And then we just need to open the lobster clasp. It was so funny on the live video because I cannot get it. I cannot put it back because of the longness, but now it's, of course, it's much easier. So if I'm going to remove the feather, we can check it out on the inside part. And here it is, S925 ALE. Just really wanted to show you those little details. Maybe you will consider getting them too for yourselves. And as you see, this is a combination of leather and silver. So leather there, and then silver here. For the choker is right there. So that will read ALE on the top and S925 at the bottom. I think I'm not getting that quite well as it is focusing on my rings. But yeah, it's supposed to be that part, and then here's the S925 ALE. Let's see. Doesn't focus. However, there's another very cool detail about this one, and it's this part. It has pink cubic zirconia, and that is really, really, really cute. So that part we are not so familiar of, and I'm just really happy I did this close-ups, and we are able to see that, wow, there's a cubic zirconia in there, and it adds an accent to this necklace. And that's all for this golden tan leather choker and feather pendant charm. The next items that I showed you on my live video are these two Disney charms, and they're my first official Disney princess charms. Alright, so this one is called the Disney Ariel's dress, and it's just so, so, so pretty. I like the green and mint green combination here, and that even looks like a Tiffany blue over here. And of course on the top it says Ariel in cursive writing. So beautiful. And so it's facing like this because that's the front, and then the back is this one. Alright, so from the front part, you can see that on the left side is Pandora ALES 925. And then on the other side, we can see the copyright Disney engraved in there. Just so, so pretty. And then watch out for my Disney Ariel or Little Mermaid Pandora bracelet coming very soon. And this is the Murano. It's Disney Ariel's signature collar. Yeah, so it's her signature collar. And it's this very nice color of the ocean. So, so, so beautiful. We can see the hallmarks over here. S925 ALE Pandora. And then on the other side, we can see copyright Disney as well. And it's the same on the other Pandora Disney Princess Murano charms. This next item is the reason why I bought stuff on sale, so I can go ahead and grab this one because it's not being sold on the eStore. It's being sold on the concept store, but it's not available on the Pandora eStore if you buy just this one. And that time I was not in our city and I wanted to grab it, and yeah, so I gotta have it. And it's this one, and it's called the Pandora Limited Edition Moments Silver Firework Bangle, and I have it on size 17. So I'm just really happy to have it. I'm a little late, but it's better late than never. So it's a lot of sparkles here, and on the back part it doesn't have cubic zirconia, it just have this bubbles. Yeah, so that's how it looks. And then we can open it so we can see the hallmark inside. Okay, and it's right there. So it's written on the part where there's no cubic zirconia, and it says S925ALE down there. Yep. In my video, I put the charm on this one, so yep, go ahead and check out the live video as well. So that's it for the Firework Bangle. And last but definitely not the least, one of those underhyped items that should be getting some more attention because it's so cute, it's beautiful. And that's this one, and this necklace is called the Bright Hearts necklace. So I really love the design of this one because how you wear it is, yeah, I showed it on my live video, but it's like so you hang it like that, and then you can choose your adjustment. You can make it shorter like this or longer like this depending on your outfit, of course. So I love all these hearts on the chain. That makes it really unique. So we have 2, 4, 5 hearts in there, on the chain itself, and then in the middle, this is what's very interesting. I'm going to share to you how you unhook it. So all you have to do is to get this anchor part over here, and then shoot it or insert it to the smaller heart, and then that's it. And that's how you're gonna put it back on as well. But I want you to appreciate this part because it's just very pretty. Look at that. It's 3 colors of cubic zirconia. So we have their hot pink, we have their purple, and we have their white. And isn't that so cute? It is. Oh my goodness. That heart there is so nice. And then what I noticed also is this one when I was doing the live video. I noticed that on the anchor there is a heart over here. Over there, that's so cute. And then on the front part is this one. So it's S925ALE, right? But I cannot figure out what is this part right here because I cannot read it. I wonder what that is. I'm gonna try to zoom. There's something engraved on it, but I just cannot figure out what it is. But another exciting part is this one. So on this part, you can see that it's also heart-shaped, and it has the Pandora logo on it. And on the other end, oh, this is so exciting. Look at that. There is a cubic zirconia again, and it's in purple. Look at that. That is so cute. Let me zoom it in. And that is so cute indeed. This is a underhyped necklace. And insert one end of the hook to the smaller heart. And then let it hang loose. Like so. And then you can wear it whatever length you want. And that is all for my Pandora after Christmas sale that I got from the Pandora eStore. I wasn't able to go ahead and visit the Pandora concept store. I did, but most of the items that I like were sold out then, and I wasn't able to go back when they did a refill. So for now, this is my after Christmas sale, but I have a lot more of the retired items that I'm going to share to you very soon, and I have a lot of other videos. Don't forget to check out my Pandora swaps and all my other videos upcoming, and follow me on Instagram, that's at Fiercei. Also Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Pinterest, it's all at Fiercei, and see you in my next video. Remember to stay fierce and fly high. See ya!